Unveiling the Heat. Understanding, be furious. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fiery topic to discuss. The phrase, be furious. This is an expression that packs a punch and conveys a strong emotion you've likely encountered in English movies, books, or conversations. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of emotions and expressions, keep watching as we explore what it means to be furious, how to use it, and share some examples to help you understand it better. When someone says they are furious, they are expressing an intense form of anger. Being furious is not just being angry. It's being overwhelmingly, intensely angry. This kind of anger is powerful and full of energy. It can be caused by various situations, from being let down by friends to experiencing injustice or having plans go awry. But why is it important to understand the difference between being angry and being furious? It's all about the strength of the feeling. Imagine anger as a flame. When it grows and becomes more intense, it turns into fury, a blazing fire. Now, let's look at how to use be furious in a sentence. This phrase is often used to describe a person's reaction to something that has happened. It's a strong verb that can give your conversation or writing more impact. Here are some examples. She was furious when she found out her brother had taken her car without asking. I was furious at the airline for losing my luggage. They were furious about the decision to cancel the project. Notice how in each of these sentences, the phrase, be furious, helps to convey not just anger, but a deep, intense emotion about the situation. Body language can also show that someone is furious. Here are some nonverbal cues that might indicate fury. Clenched fists or jaws, a red face or neck, heavy breathing or snorting, pacing back and forth, stomping feet or slamming doors. Understanding these nonverbal signs can help you better interpret the feelings of others, which is crucial in effective communication. It's also useful to know other words that can express the same level of anger. Here are some synonyms: enraged, incensed, outraged, seething, livid. Using synonyms can add variety to your English and help you find the right word for every situation. That wraps up our look at what it means to be furious. Remember, understanding the depth and nuances of English phrases can really help you in expressing yourself clearly and vividly. I hope this video has shed some light on how to express and understand one of the strongest emotions in the English language. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.